Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wave Accounting for free small business bookkeeping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Wave Accounting for free small business bookkeeping, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the official Wave Accounting website at waveapps.com. On the homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements indicated on the screen. After entering your information, click on Get Started for free. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email and click the provided link. Once verified, return to the Wave website. Now, you'll need to provide basic business information. Fill in your business name, address, and type of business. Select the industry that best represents your business. Then, choose your country and currency. After filling in the necessary fields, click Continue. Wave will guide you through initial setup options. You can opt to add your financial institution to connect your bank accounts. This step simplifies tracking your transactions automatically. If you prefer to skip this, you can manually enter transactions later. Next, complete your profile with details like your business logo and contact information. Once your profile setup is complete, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features available. Explore the different sections, like invoicing, accounting, and receipts. For your first entry, go to the accounting section. Click on Transactions to start adding your income and expenses. You can either upload bank statements or enter transactions manually. To create your first invoice, select the Invoicing tab. Click on Create an Invoice and fill in the required fields. Add your customer information, products or services, and payment terms. Once everything looks good, save the invoice and send it directly from Wave. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.